My name's Pamela Jabor and I'm the CEO and founder of Total Image Group. Total Image Group designs, sources and manufactures uniforms for businesses across Australia. When we first entered the uniform space, it was filled with the old school manufacturing types, and we saw a real opportunity to go into the market with a young and fresh perspective and really bring fashion and the power of a brand and how to tell that story through uniforms. When we first started the business, it was really difficult to win accounts. Started by prospecting and making 100 phone calls a day, and it took 12 months to win our first account. We dress over 250,000 people a day in their working wardrobe. We work with some of Australia's largest brands, including 13 Cabs, Ford, and most recently dressing the Australian Winter Olympic team in Pyeongchang 2018. We've had really fast growth, but on the back end, it's always been a huge scramble. And my biggest thing is present yourself as bigger than what you are. I was 21, clients didn't know it was my business. Up until last year, clients didn't know it was my business. The motto I live by is to always dress for the job you want, not the job you have.